what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not showing all songs. So first of all, if your Instagram account is a business account, all songs might not show up due to copyright issues. But if it's not showing in your personal account, then these are the fixes that you could try. Head over to your Play Store first and let's make sure that our Instagram is updated. If you see update here, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Move on to the next step. Head over to your settings app. Scroll below, then select apps. Here also, you're going to have to search for Instagram. So type in Instagram and then open it. Now at this section, select storage, then clear the cache. Once done, come back onto App Info page. Tap on Force Stop, then select OK. Now restart your device, launch your application, try again, and it will work. Thank you for watching.